Hey, I'm Bharat, here I'm to talk about Shiksharthi. So, it is so affable platform to understand mathematical concepts so coherently, and its videos and contents are too immaculate. It teaches everything from how the formula is derived and how to implement it properly, very neatly and in a very decent manner. And its recent videos of mental ability, it's so useful. As you know, nowadays mental ability is so important. It's absolutely necessary to achieve anything in any field, in any exam, to achieve good marks. And it has really helped me to learn to understand the concepts of maths, especially of 10th class. uh, and I would suggest you to see its videos from the beginning to the end. So when you learn everything from basics, it's so clear in your mind, like how it is derived and how to use it and when to use it and how it's all things are like that. So it's a useful it's a useful platform. I really thanks to Shati for making learning more interesting and understandable. Thank you.